Sharon and I are back in the kitchen and we're going to be doing some different things going forward. The show is always going to be about great food because great food is what Sharon does. But also we're going to be focusing on teaching you how to improve your health by improving your diet. We're going to be specifically focusing on sugar and salt consumption because those are the two main drivers of chronic illness in the US. We're also going to be addressing food insecurity by creating content specifically to help you maximize your grocery dollars and still eat great on a budget. It's gotten ridiculously expensive to eat out, and we've started recording a series that for right now I'm calling the Friday Night Dinner Party, where Sharon teaches you how to plan and execute a menu of 3 or 4 restaurant quality appetizers. So instead of going to a restaurant, you can have some friends over and still have a great time without spending a bunch of money. We're probably going to have some mixologists as guests on the show at some point to help you step your game up with the mixed drinks too. But the show is not just about food. Me and Sharon are both Generation X, and what we're also doing is showing all our Gen X peers and the boomers that came before us and the older millennials that came right after us how it's possible for you to build a business on YouTube by simply teaching what you know. I know a lot of you are out here trying to figure out what your next chapter is going to be, and that next chapter can be as simple as you sitting in front of a camera just like I'm doing right now and teaching what you know. Because you've been on this earth long enough to have some valuable, hard-earned knowledge, and YouTube lets you turn that knowledge into a business that will pay you better than any job you've ever had. So if you haven't subscribed to the Cooking with Sharon YouTube channel, I encourage you to do so because we're doing a lot more than just cooking. You can see the finished products on Sharon's channel and see the behind the scenes of creating the show right here on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join us on this journey and maybe even start your own YouTube channel. If you want help with that, use the link in the description box.